Alright, good afternoon everyone, my name is Masahiro Kamata. I am from Tokyo, Japan, which means I am Japanese. Now I'm living in Bucharest, Romania, and I thought it would be a great idea if I share some of my perspectives as a Japanese living in Eastern Europe. So let's get started.
Bounce with it, just bounce with it. Everybody wanna come, I'm announcing it. I'm always gon' get it, I'm always gon' get it. Even if you sit back denouncing it. But I'm a good kid, I rock gold, I'm never gon' sleep with ya. I loved you, I've been wrong, but let me see the whole damn picture. But damn, I got it.
The other day, I got invited for a mountain trip to Sinaia. Sinaia is north of Bucharest, about 1 hour or so by car, and it's a really famous touristic place in Romania for ski and everything. So I just packed up my stuff and left for a trip. Please allow me to replace the audio here with my voiceover, because I couldn't speak well in a vlogging style. I'm just not used to it. To ride a metro in Bucharest, you use this card. It says 10 on the top right corner, which means you can ride a metro 10 times with this card, regardless of the distance. It costs 20 lei, which is about 500 yen in Japanese currency. So for one ride, it is 50 yen. Very cheap.
Morning.
How are you?
Great.
So we made it to the top, and it's time to try some Japanese snacks.
Yes. Take one. Nice.
This is great. This is great.
Great.
Great Japanese thing. Jam.
They good?
Really good. Japan Ichiban.
Thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.